Hi students, I am Lavdeep Singh here. Today I will teach class 10th English 2. Today's topic is poem The Patriot. Please open page number 32 of the book. Before I start the poem, let me explain you the meaning of patriot. It means one who loves and defends his or her country. Now come to page number 31. Let me explain you the poem in brief. In this poem, where a man who is being led to the gallows is recounting his tale. Gallows means the place where the person is hanged, and recounting means he is remembering his past tale. Here, the speaker recalls that exactly 1 year ago he had been led down this very street with the crowd of the people cheering him and scattering roses in his path, and he was hero being welcomed by his lovable fans. But after 1 year, Patriot has been tried, convicted, and is being led away to put to death. Here he says, how short is the public memory and how people are fickle mindedness. A grim reminder that life is uncertain. It means that anything can happen in your life. But still, this poem ends on the note of the optimism means with a hope. And here, Patriot believes that it is God who will reward him according to his true deeds. Now let me explain you stanza 1. Before that, let me explain you the difficult word meanings of stanza 1. Myrtle means a sweet smelling flower. Like mad here is in great enthusiasm. He means breathe. Sway means rise and fall. Church spires means tall pointed structures on the top of the church buildings. Come to stanza first. Here the patriot recalls how he was welcomed a year ago when he came after his grand victory. His path was spread with the fragrant roses as a symbol of love. The people were mad in their zeal and enthusiasm. The church towers blazed with victory flags. Now come to stanza 2. Let me explain you the word meanings. Broke into a mist with bells. It means church bells rang to welcome the patriot. Rocked means shook. Repels means hateful. Yonder means that. Come to stanza 2. Here, the whole atmosphere resounded with the sound of church bells rung in the honor of the hero 1 year ago. The crowd rushed with joy. The patriot appreciated the enthusiasm of people. If he had demanded that time from them something impossible like the sun from the sky, they would have granted him. They would have asked him what else he desired. Such was the time 1 year ago. Come to stanza 3. Let me explain you the word meanings. Alack means alas. Leap at the sun means try to do the impossible. Not means nothing. Harvest reward. A year is run means year has passed. Come to stanza 3. Here the patriot says that he tried to do the impossible for the pleasure of his admirers. He did his best. He did whatever he could do for his countrymen. But what reward had he got? Is this the reward he is getting from the people? In a sad tone, Patriot feels that the people have forgotten all that what he did for them 1 year ago.